Graph the function shown on your own paper, then choose the correct graph. So we're going to look at the asymptotes first. Is set the denominator equal to 0? Well, that's an easy one to solve. X equals 0. That means your y-axis is a vertical asymptote. Then let's look at horizontal asymptotes. Compare the degrees of the numerators 2, the denominator is invisible 1. The degree of the numerator is greater this time, so we have to divide. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide x squared minus 1 divided by x. And instead of using long division, I'm going to use synthetic. But x minus 0 is the way you want to think about it. So you're going to do synthetic with 0 as your input. 1, 0, negative 1. So bring down the 1. 1 times 0 is 0. Add to get 0. 0 times 0 is 0. Add to get negative 1. Now this is the part you want to be concerned with. Don't worry about the remainder. This is the x place and the 1's place. So your slant asymptote equation is y equals x. You have a 1 for the x and a 0 for the 1. If you had other numbers here, you would have something different for the asymptote. But this one's pretty simple. Just y equals x. So let me go ahead and draw that. This means when you get far away from the origin that the function is going to approach this diagonal line y equals x. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out if there are any x-intercepts. So I'm going to set x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So that's x plus 1 times x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals negative 1 and 1. Those are the two x-intercepts, so I'll put an intercept at negative 1 and at positive 1. You know, you can plot more points if you would like to, but this is a pretty simple graph, and I'm pretty confident about the way it's going to look. So it's going to come up and approach this asymptote. And this way it's going to go down, approach the vertical asymptote. And the same thing on this side over here. It's going to go up and come down this way. Alright, so that'll give you the basic shape of the graph. And if I could emphasize one point here, it's when you're finding your slant asymptotes, make sure you divide out the numerator and denominator. And you can use either long division or synthetic depending on what the denominator looks like.